Making changes to your design files shouldn't interrupt your workflow. Autodesk Vault automates the task of tracking the revision history of your design files, automatically providing you with a full audit trail. Vault helps you to reduce the chance of revision control errors by securely releasing and tracking files throughout the design cycle, helping to make sure that only the right files are available to the right team members at the right time. Vault makes revision tracking virtually effortless. For your documentation, Vault enables you to capture the revision history directly on the drawing. When a change to your documentation is required, an engineering change order can be raised. When the file state changes, Vault can automatically append the revision table in your drawing. By capturing your revision history as you work, Vault reduces the chances of error when tracking revisions. Let Autodesk Vault focus on revision management so that you can focus on designing.